a proud supporter of Operation Barbecue Relief. Italian meatballs. Not something you would typically put on a smoker, but today we're going to do a new twist on an old recipe. Now before we get started, we're going to mix all these ingredients before we mix it to the meat. So let's get started. It starts with a couple of eggs. I always like to start with the egg first, that way if there's any shells in there by accident, they're really easy to get out. But we turned out well today, we don't have any. So 2 eggs, and to that we're going to add 1 cup of spaghetti sauce or marinara. Store-bought, homemade, whatever you got, whatever you like will work just fine. To that, we're going to add 1 cup of dried breadcrumbs, 2 tablespoons of Parmesan cheese, 1 teaspoon of oregano or an Italian seasoned blend will work just fine, 1/4 cup Lowry seasoned salt, 1/4 cup onion powder, 1/4 cup garlic powder, and 1/4 cup black pepper. All right, now that we got this well mixed, everything's incorporated, let's go and add this in. I'm starting with 1 pound of hamburger and 1 pound of mild Italian sausage. If you want to use hot Italian sausage, you should probably check with your wife first. But let's get this in there and get it going. Yeah, that looks pretty good to me. Now before we start, one of these little bitty scoops right here comes in real handy for making a lot of meatball sausages real quick. But do yourself a favor. Take a little bit of nonstick spray, spray the coat real well. All right, now we're just roughing these out, getting them portioned out. We're going to go back and make them look prettier here in a little bit. Now that we've got these portioned out, we're going to make them look a lot nicer and go and put them in our cooking pan. Well, we did it. We got them all in the pan. Now, let's go ahead and get them on. I've already got the grill set up for a direct heat. Drip pan in the middle with charcoal on both sides of it. Let's go ahead and add our wood. Get that smoker rolling. All right, gonna run the grill about 350 degrees. Take a timer and set it for 15 minutes. That's when you want to check them first. These will cook really fast at this temperature. If you want more smoke flavor, you could go to lower temperatures for a little bit longer time. But let's get our timer set and then come back and check on it. Oh yeah, these are looking real good, but safety first. You want to test the ones in the middle, they'll take longer to cook. And 185. These are good to go. Now, they've been on about 35 minutes. They took longer than I had anticipated, but that's barbecue. You know, it's done when it's done. These are done. And there we have it, smoked Italian meatballs. A new twist on an old favorite. Thanks for watching, and please help support your local food bank. Out of the light or in the light?
That's ugly light, yeah.
Oh.
Keep close to the table.
Now before we start making the meatballs, one of these little scoops comes in really handy for making a lot real fast. Do yourself a favor.
Can you do that without moving it around so much?
Oh. Oh. Sure, I could do that, not a problem. 1/4 cup onion powder.
You know what you just did with that cup? That's what kids these days call a yeet. You yeeted it.
Learn something new every day. But I'm old, which means I'm going to forget. Yeeting?
It just means throwing.
In what language? Because it's certainly not English.
In, it's not even millennial, it's Gen Z.
What the hell is that?
That's who millennials hate now.
Wow. Gotta quit doing that.
Eating things?
No, slinging stuff everywhere.
Yeah, that's eating.
Eating. We're about to run out of pan here.
But I mean, it should be okay, right? It'll all pan out.
Yeah. Boom, boom. Hi, Micah Johnson. I do 2 shows a night. Please join us. Ooh, that's warm. Ow.
Kind of weird, huh?
108 degrees is where they're at right now. We want an internal temperature of 180. Ah! So, put the lid back down and let it go some more.
Let's take it
Yeah,
off.
yeah. And there we have it. Yeah, fucking fly. It's the same one from yesterday. I only brought a friend today. Oh, excuse me. Yeah, good stuff.